Actually, it mainly drops forward. It just drops its nose. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to go out. Huh?
You know the timber, right?
Yeah, what about it?
Wait, who has the keys for that?
The big one? I don't. I don't think anybody here does. Is there something of yours in there?
With the transmitter in there.
For which one?
For the train, I was going to say, I was wondering, I have a question. Could we bind the timber to those?
The little timber or the big one?
That one right there.
Maybe. I don't see why not, but. Okay, look out. I'm going up. Yeah. A what? No.
Do you miss your free-wing,
I have it. I just have parts.
Do you miss flying it?
Yeah, I do. That's why I got parts to fix it.
I'm gonna video bomb you.
Yeah. All right. Madman time. Madman time.
I'm gonna watch you.
If you had a spare channel, we could.
I have a 10 channel coming in the mail.
Okay, then
Yeah,
we could make anything work, but.
I'm putting a 10 channel in the F-22, and I'm probably gonna put one in the F5 or F.
I can go slower than you can talk.
Probably.
Actually, you know what I could do is I could take.
I'm taking off.
Go ahead.
Timer cleared.
I could take
gonna
the
be
7
noisy.
channel out and put it inside the Mirage. That's what I'll probably
All you got to do is just turn the gyro off,
Mm-hmm.
and use the 7th channel for the burner, which is not hard to do.
I like flying a single gyro.
Crap, that burner is stupid bright. That is stupid bright.
This fan sounds terrible.
What
I'm just
happened with it?
barnstorming down low. If you want me to get out
I'm gonna be doing a fast pass. I'll just tell you what I'm doing. Fast pass from the right.
I'm kind of low. Just
Okay.
like touching
No way that's 108.
Wow.
No way in hell that's 108. Yeah, it was. It's.
Here I am. I like that tail light I added to this thing. It's freaking bright. That burner is stupid bright.
It's because it's all white.
Mine's not as bright.
For which? Oh no, for the. It's a different burner. Yours is pretty bright though.
Oh, the tail light I added.
Yeah, I can't really look because I'm flying.
It really helps at night.
I see what you're talking about now. Yeah, I see it. I shouldn't be looking while I'm flying, but I saw it.
It's alright. You know that airplane.
Right in front of us.
Jesus Christ. I felt that. That went right by my head.
Yeah. It was about 10 feet from you. Yeah, this fan's not even balanced and it's still screaming.
What's that? That's a 2100.
Yep.
I want to put that in the F-18. I'm over that. I want to put that in the F-18.
Yep, I do too. I gotta order one. I don't even know what direction it's going now.
You ordered the whole fan or you just replaced the motor?
I ordered the whole fan. I had one for probably 6-7 months, but I just didn't have anything to put it in.
The whole bottom like that.
I can fix that. I just have to paint it.
That was cool, man. Yeah, that thing's flying. That's way faster. I'm hovering over the runway, so if you want to do a low pass.
I'm doing a low pass right now.
I'll go over the grass. I'm not really hovering. This thing doesn't really hover. Holy Jesus. I think your Mirage, or my Mirage, is probably about the same speed as that.
I think it might be faster. Just a little bit. Imagine this in the F5.
Oh, that thing's so gnarled up getting the fan out of the
I love how responsive the elevator is on this.
Yeah, it is. I remember flying over the gyro, you had to hit it a lot harder to get it to do.
It's dumbed down.
Yeah, they put a bunch of extra.
All right, so I gotta get my gear down.
Gear down.
Blink.
Landing lights. You see, I don't have my landing lights anymore.
Take off flaps. Landing.
I'm gonna walk out so I can see. Okay.
Okay. I won't go. I'm not an idiot, don't worry. Well, sometimes I can be.
God, I love those lights. You can see perfectly,
Yeah, they're really bright.
and that nose light isn't too bright.
That's perfect. Oh, perfect.
Ah, hit the wing a little bit.
That's alright.
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
Oh, I didn't put all the lights on this
Flaps
thing. I just
up.
put the tail lights.
I gotta add more flaps.
I don't even use the flaps on mine.
That thing doesn't need flaps.
Once you get used to it, that thing doesn't need flaps.
I don't really need them, but I kind of. That's probably why the landing was so crappy because I used them.
When are you leaving?
Probably after this flight.
This is it for me.
Okay, we're about to leave.
I'm turning.
Hey, Nate, you can fly the 47?
Yeah, you can do it.
Dude, I am ready to go.
I'm gonna get you.
You're actually ready now? I don't believe it.
I'm actually ready for what?
To go for Alex.
Ah!
Oh shit! Sorry.
No, not you.
Oh. All right, time to put the gear up and everything. That was cool.